Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie and I do quick videos every week on all things skincare. So if you're a skincare enthusiast like me and a busy mum, then hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you with me. In today's video, I'm super excited because I got my hands on Caroline Hirons Skincare Kit. She releases 2 kits throughout the year, autumn, spring, summer and winter, and I'm so excited I got my hands on this. This kit retails over £500 and I paid £245. There's 7 products in here, takes you through your skincare routine, and you also get 2 add-ons. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So it's this fabulous yellow colour. It's kind of like a wetsuit material. It's made out of neoprene, which is washable. Inside, of course, it is camouflage because Caroline loves her camouflage, so she's added that in, and it's got a nice little handle there as well, so you could just pick it up and see just how big it is. So I'm going to be able to get all my products in here in the future, and now I'm going to go and take you through each product. Okay, so the Summer Kit 2 is suitable for all skins, especially suited to skin that is dry, dehydrated, reddened, angry or slightly more mature. The first thing is the Cleanse Off Mitt, which is gentle on the skin, it's really good on the eye area, and it's reusable, washable, so you can take it away with you if you're lucky enough to get away this year, and you can just use it instead of your flannel or muslin. Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Goat milk soothes dry sensitive skin with natural milk proteins, and the Manuka honey nourishes skin without any tightness, dryness or irritation. So a lovely all-round gentle cleanser. So here we have pestle and mortar NMF lactic acid. It's a really good solution. It starts to work by exfoliating the skin, lighting dark circle spots, hydrating and improving the look of fine lines. I've used this for a couple of nights and I have really noticed a difference in my skin, so this is great. So Neod Factionated Eye Contour Concentrate is Serum for the eye contour. It combines 28 clinical technologies to target many signs of under eye and above eye aging in one treatment. Medic 8 Cetetra Intense is stable and non-irritating vitamin C, is activated red ginseng and nourishing silky blend of squalane and maruca oil for velvety soft hydrated skin. So this is Dr. Dennis Gray's B3 Adaptive Superfood Stress Rescue Super Serum. It is scientifically engineered microcapsules of superfoods, adaptogens and niacinamide, that's B3, in a powerful anti-stress serum for boosted absorption of vital nutrients. Dermalogica Intensive Moisture Balance is an ultra-rich antitoxin moisturizer for dry skin. It really is lovely and thick. It clinically proves to deliver nourishment 10 layers deep, and it smooths away the appearance of dry lines, skin damage with stabilised vitamin C as extracts to help the signs of prematurely aging skin. Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum combines 5% retinoid ester blend, 1% liposomal encapsulated retinol blend and 0.5 blue-green algae with natural retinoid alternative activity. It's a high-dose retinoid serum to fight the signs of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin. And the last add-on is Demamel Skin Recovery Blend, a pure, powerful pressed serum formulated to restore and soothe dry, inflamed skin to reveal soft, hydrated complexion. It's rich in fatty acids to aid skin repair, and I'm really excited to try this because I've read so much about this balm. So I hope you've enjoyed my quick video today on the skincare kit number 2. I will be doing some further reviews on the products individually, so I will let you know how those go. And if you've got any other suggestions, or if you've had one of the skincare kits, then do let me know in the comments, and I will see you on the next This Mummy Knows.